The same way you can tell the people say you have done it over you watch me. Me can call and report your behavior about the award show. The same way you could have go for me done it over here, me supposed to go over Canada go contact the people about the award. What they who tell me and let me ask you something. All of who in them feelings and all of who go pa, which one can jump on me? Which one of uno can jump on me? Which one of uno can beat me? What I go do? Make up comment because when you make the comment me I put on up and me tell you something. None of you me I put up me no so no look better than me. Uno come. So me no know what this. No, I me not care. Me not care. Me say me nah stop. Me I go after Tina all the way me can. All the way me can. So no could have curse. She could have ball. She could have cuss. Uno follow around. Uno could have go on platform and type up anything you want type up about me. Me not care. Me know what me I do. You see how she get a season this is and she not get no more big bookings again. And she not go get nominated. But me make this clear. She not go get no nominated for no award no more over Canada. And she not get no big cooking and no big catering again. And she get a season. This is what she can't talk about it. And she can't promote it. Well, the next step for me I go call the Better Business Bureau about her. And I go report the son about them body. So, uno come beat me. Uno, one of the things I want to come out. Uno only I make it bad for Tina. Uno only I make it bad for Tina. Me did one. Uno should have known me. Uno should have known me from the curly time. Uno do not play with me. Don't play dirty with me because I never lose a dirty fight. I never lose a dirty fight. Trust me. I never lose a dirty battle. Because say, me, you know things that me that will come out. I never did a cuss her. All when the time with Anna and the sister and the problem with and she come out, I never did I go argue with her. And I never put her on a dirty girl frack out here for Tina. She going sorry the day. She going cross path for trouble me. Cause me never trouble her. Me never, you know what? Since me done, I'm a underdog. And that's why me do it. Yes. I give her backside lick with the sore foot. You freak you. You bitch you. The only some of them is sorry for this. A chocolate and vanilla with them brand. That are the only you think I care? I don't care. I don't care. Plankers and mad what she done. I go get the blame. Chris I go get the blame. Then got to take the blame. Me no business. Me no business. As a matter of fact, it reach away now because I should have come out and tell lie pan anybody see me like and tell lie pan me. Me no business with nobody. Me alone work pan him. And me alone I work pan him. Me no business. Me no business. Me no business. And me non tap with him. And not tap with Tina Chin. 2024 I went over in Tina. Me say me not tap with him. Me say when I done him go and check himself in a mental institution. He come out here. And not stop. You could have turn over there. You could have cuss. You could have jeer. You could have ball. You could have weep. I am fixing you and I tell you, I'm fixing you the right and properly way. See, I said I am fixing you. I'm going to me say I'm digging on everything when I'm done with you. You see me put out your house. You think I joke me did in with you, Tina? Me say when I done with you. When I done with you, no skin now left on you. Me say when I done with you, me say the operation reverse what you do. Come back, me say as God over me head, me just give me little days. Me say I'm not done with you because me say when I after the 6th of January my daughter make her 20th birthday. Remember, you again I will be working on and I'm done with Tina. So take up your minions, take up your followers, take up on a drunk, go do anything what you want do, Tina. If it's die, will let it be done. But me know me not let you come. Me not afraid that you. I fear no evil. Me coming. I coming after you. Who want believe, believe, and who want say me tell you something now. Nobody no pay me, nobody no know, not even Ashanti and Lady V when me talk to me tell say me did I do it. Nobody can me know Lady V would that tell me no. I mean no me say you know what? Me nah say no to nobody, me alone. Me alone. Me alone. When she contact the woman over here, when she contact the woman over here, did want the woman come 50 when she have the woman a watch me. Well, the woman a watch me and me a hold on on your backside and me nah let you go. If you never, they go meet up on phone with Danet over Burke Altina. That's so, me wouldn't fuck you that way, yeah. No Dana, no Chris, nobody. And when you meet with the woman, because I could have walk on road and people throw her seat the same way you meet up with the woman, me show you how it is to play dirty. The same way you could have meet up with the woman, take it out and meet up, because you want the woman, and I say, your girlfriend, the woman, Tina, meet up with the woman. Tina, me hear the voice note. I saw me know about the woman. And then me go investigate and find the woman yard, find out the woman back, and I was going to send the government over there and she. And then me say, no, after all, are you me a go for because you are the mastermind there in it. Are you reach out to the woman. You go on the woman profile and see the woman live here. You reach out to the woman. And then the woman must say, because I never then know it in a punda, the woman must say this is somebody and tell you, say she see me and you run out with it. Then she say me why she never take a picture. You is the mastermind. You me a come off a Tina cause you contact the woman. If you never contact the woman, you contact the people about the award. Don't you contact the woman? Me never say nothing. When you did over there and you go and you do your live, you go and you do your live. Yes, me now me no wear frat girl on road. Come here for work in a jeans. We have to work. It's a protocol of work. You have to work into jeans. You have to work in a jeans. So me no wear dress. Me no have no. I mean on a brown dress. Cause me black so brown won't fit me like that. Me no color will fit me. And don't you did fear, don't you did rejoice and you galang and you galang. Me never say nothing to you. You joke me na me eye and me a blind your blood clot. That is it. That is it, dirty Tina. So take up your minions them. Take up your minions them. I wanna come. And call who you want call. And ball who you want ball. And drink and drunk. And let me tell you something. Nobody not send me no life, thank God so far, because me have my good looking friend. She can turn over there and cuss me as much as she want. She can turn over there and cuss as much as she want. Much. Cuss, Tina, because I know it hurt. And if you feel like you can jump on a plane, Curacao won't block you, not because there's that thing there. They won't block you. That is one thing with the Dutch island. You feel like they won't block you. Jump right over here. And if Curacao that small island, me will come there, come meet you. If you could just say when you come into Curacao and come at the airport, me come out at the airport, come meet you. If you want to meet up at Ochabanda and Punda in this town too, just say the word. If you want to fly in, you can come. Sometimes you get real cheap tickets. Just check Delta, Continental, or American Airline. They fly to Curacao. So you can come. Feel free to do what you want. Do what you want. Why you not call the immigration? I don't want the immigration number over here. 733. 7, I get the immigration for Curacao number. 733-2000. Call the immigration. SVB number 434. SVB number 4341600. If I know SVB number, that a crunchy number, and the name is Janice and Marie Foster. My birthday, the 29th of April. Just that you want. Just the name and the birthday. So call them. May I give you the opportunity to call the blood clot immigration for me. Call the immigration. May I give you back something for do. That is how fear me a warrior. That is how fear me a warrior. And Curly says she know my workplace. She have all the phone number. Check Curly. I am bold. My granny used to tell me one time, I say, yeah, then dry like pussy broke coconut tonight. Or pussy broke coconut, and then me don't know. Me not afraid, and me not care, and me not have to tell no lie. And me never did that hide me hand. The people them never want it out. But through your act, hell like pan chocolate and vanilla, and I try tear down the people them brand. Me come out come call own it. And nobody not pay me, cause nobody could not pay me, and nobody can pay me. Nobody could not pay me for do nothing. So all of you know in the comment section, we don't know wicked, nasty, all dalali down sagara, all redundant, long time, ancient time, big woman, top tell life on the people them. Top tell life on the people them. Dana could not utter than a big draws. Fi come send me fi go do nothing. Nobody can send me fi do nothing. Me learn my lesson on social media. Me help people tell life on social media. When me not do for myself, because me not tell no lie for myself, because nobody can beat me. Before me tell a lie, me keep quiet. Before me tell a lie, me keep quiet, because me no owe no boy, no girl, no obligation, and God me owe. So when uno have it in all who have it in our brain, then I go say Kingston 13:1, don't underestimate me. Don't do that. This is one thing. You underestimate people and look down upon people. None of you pan you don't know me. Because I must matter like I go to school together. None of you no know me. Me no go school with you know. Me never write nothing go no. Uno never give uno was my teacher in an exam class. But uno love look down the dance. Well, you don't be street smarter or cause you never expect this from you. Hear who you said do it? You say a Chris, a Dana, and a chocolate and vanilla because no, it's the no brand one do it because I not have nothing to lose. Me not have nothing to lose. So let me tell you something. Chris could have never bright and come send me for go do nothing. Likewise Dana, nobody. So to get the people them name out of not thinking pit latrine. Donna could have, she couldn't pay me. She could not pay me. The whole cake season money wouldn't play because why you can't do it? I wonder if you not think me a nice somebody. Me not nice somebody. No. Donna come to me with a proposal like that. But that's about Donna, I use your earth. So you're the best one to go talk your pain. That's just what I tell her. Mother said, Donna, I use your earth. Who can tell your story better than you? Chris come to me with that at the same thing. That's about Chris, you not done somebody. Are you always say you can't angle your triangle and angle your bangle? Angle it now at your bangle. I wonder if you know me. I wonder if you think, no, don't do that. Me no send out, girl. I want. Me telling her already, me need it, I'm greedy, and me a struggle. Me no hungry. Me have my pride and me have my dignity. I'm not drunk when I walk panny. So no that thing now no head straight. Donna, Chris, them a brand for protect. Me no and none. Me put up, me wear dirty girl frock. Donna and Chris have to protect them brand. And so me used to say she used to pay people no down bright to herself with me. The only somebody pay me for call over upon him show a Ashanti. And bad to bad him never know about this. So no don't mix up the people, them are not too wicked. And don't feel me a fight down back. Let me say it loud and clear. Yes, me take one for the team because me dep on the right side. But it's when Tina know the woman over here that was very rude of her and did a boast. Cause she come out and boast about that one day. Cause she feels me a underdog. I'm in a hand of papers because I want to know if I underneath the immigration. That's why me I give the immigration number for call. She feels say me a underdog. She never expect that liquor from me. You think me never come out and yeah, you liquor back? No, me I do you something will hurt you. You're used to it. And she a play and she know. You see from one day when I come out and I talk, say, tell you how Tina wicked and who have sense knows that Tina did up to Tina knows something. When I come out and say Tina now go to Canada again, I start get a little hint before I come out to the tour, can talk it. She do a live. All of a sudden you don't eat Donna. All of a sudden you don't eat Donna. Cause you know say something was in the air. You know, Tina, you know something there in the ear drunk. But me and your backside out here. Me not done with you yet. Me not done with you, Tina. I don't done with you. I just make you feel me hand for no say. Me ramp rough. Me play dirty. I mean, I do not know if I would have come out from there one contact. I because the people ain't serious with them brand. And to me say you get the season this is I mean also me hungry. As what you say, me no want nobody draw me a courthouse because I know the Dutch law over here. Me no want nobody come draw me a courthouse. That's why me never come out with it. So me come out with it now. Me no call no name. So nobody can sue because me never say a two woman have award through Canada. If two of them one then can come sue me, me never call no name. Me never call no name. I come out and I talk the story that you get a cease and desist. It's going into Psalm 2 that thing there. And nearly 2 months now you get the cease and desist. Because about a week before last me talk to you, 6 weeks and nearly 2 months now you get the cease and desist. You cannot Tina Chin. Let me talk loud. You cannot mention the woman about the award name. You cannot promote the award show. You're not getting no more business again. All courtesy of Janice and Marie Foster. Because I didn't represent myself as Kingston 13. I represented myself as Janice and Marie Foster at midweek. And nobody no have nothing to do with it. Nobody never met no. I mean, no feel sorry to midweek. I don't sorry, I don't happy, I don't give a damn. All I know, I am coming down after you. The brand where you always a ball out say people are tear down, now it a tear down. Now the brand are come down. Yes. Now the brand is coming down, Tina. Now the brand are come down. I mean, I don't take it down yet. I don't give a damn. I don't care who vex, who please me then call you over there. And I don't care who curly shoulder big enough you can lean down pan it and ball. I don't give a damn. I don't care. Do I feel sorry? No. I owe nobody no apology but chocolate and vanilla, and I apologize already. And at this time, I don't care who get hurt in the crossfire because she would have said anybody, but I thought, and I haven't even talked to Lady V a good while now because she busy doing her business and she tired. Ashanti, sometime all one day, sometime I don't hear me call over Ashanti, I just call over there because most of the time Ashanti go on live for the past week in the on the live earlier. Now I just call in over Ashanti and I go about my business and Ashanti go. So I can tell you something, I don't lap fractal. I don't lap fractal. So the brand where you always me a tear it down, me a burn you up, me a broke you up, me a mash you up, me a every God Almighty thing with the brand. Every God Almighty thing me they do with the brand. Me a your backside, me not left your Tina. So come out, come over there, start ride me like how you ride and I won't be looking and guess what? Nobody not tell me nothing. So you could have turn over there, say, for 13, and give valid 13. I don't give a fuck. I am tearing you down. I am tearing. Nobody not pay me. The only somebody give me something over here is Ashanti. So I can tell you something. Don't tell no lie on the people. Them gotta go soon no for tap you.